All right, we're back. Check this out, guys. Forex market trade of the day. AUDNZD is under the spotlight, and for good reason, I believe. We've been following up with this one for a long time, waiting for the right moment to strike. I feel like that moment had arrived. Now, the technical situation, I believe, is pretty sound. First, let's talk about the big picture situation. Monthly chart, right? Monthly chart. I mean, price action here, AUDNZD had been trading sideways in a very wide range ever since early December 2022, right? And we've had back and forth in this defined range, but lately it's been on the up and up, on the upper section of that range. Actually, we have two different systems here. We have the big system representing the big picture situation on the monthly chart. That's the black system. And then we have the blue system right here that represents the medium term cycle, best observed from the weekly chart, right? So here we see interesting alignment between these two cycles, because on the long-term perspective, on the long-term cycle, price action is on the upper section. And on the medium-term cycle, price action is also on the upper section. So that's a pretty cool alignment between these two cycles, which increases our success rate, right? In terms of probability, it gives us a better position to be in. So we decided to pull the trigger. It's not the end of it though. We have these two angles that I've just mentioned. But if I go to the weekly chart, which I just did, then we can also see something quite interesting. A head and shoulders pattern. Again, a reversal head and shoulders pattern that fits our narrative perfectly, almost, right? And that's what we're doing here. We're basically looking for the best looking trading opportunity we can find according to our, trading system, according to our trading methodology. And here we see that left shoulder during September, October 2024, left shoulder was constructed, then a big head, right? Very big head during November. And right shoulder definitely took its time to build up all across, December and January. That's the right shoulder that I feel like is right now starting to construct itself, right? So we decided to take action. That was a couple of days ago, maybe I'm mistaken. It could have been yesterday, early morning, but I think it was a couple of days ago. Fired off a heavy position. We didn't test the water here at all. We fired off immediately an aggressive bearish campaign. 5 lots. That's what we have here. And this position is already presenting a very nice profit on it. However, we're not going to consolidate here, guys. We're going to continue with our game plan because we have two main targets that we're going to be working with. You can already see my take profit order. That's our first target, also known as our, a secondary target. It's 109.56. Once we hit that level, we either going to close out the position entirely and wait for price action to actually start, drilling through that area. Then we'll jump back in, right? Reestablish that short position to 107.94. By the way, 107.94, that is our primary target and final destination. Just making sure, just put, set the record straight about that. But yeah, 109.56, we're either going to close out or take profit off the table, like reduce the position size significantly, right? So that's where we are with the situation here. AUDNZD, very interesting technical picture. Last but not least, I want to mention is our stop loss level. At this point, right now, that's our initial stop loss level. Haven't changed that yet. It's 111.20. Probably going to start adjusting our stop loss level in the next day or two. We just need price action to keep moving south. Alright guys, so there you go. Aussie, Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. Short position, bearish conviction we have here. We'll come back to this, follow up, keep you posted. In the meantime, guys, have a lovely trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual, so till then.